Protesters gathered at the Utah State Capitol today, frustrated with the proposed increase on food tax. Poverty advocates saying that the increase will hurt Utah's lower-income households. ABC4's Rosie Nguyen was there and explains.
A proposed tax reform bill that would increase Utah's sales tax on food from 1.75 to 4.85% brought dozens of advocates for Utah's lower income class to Capitol Hill Wednesday. Lawmakers say part of it is to even out declining sales tax revenue.
We have probably a little too much of one type and not enough of another, and we're going to try to balance that out.
Opposers at Wednesday's rally say the increase would hurt families who are already struggling to make ends meet.
Any legislative act that takes food off the tables of poor families or forces them to choose between basics such as food, shelter, and health care is counter to our pro-life values.
Legislators say the proposed tax reform bill would implement a tax break for low-income families.
We're just talking about restoring the full sales tax on food back to about 4.8%. But at the same time, giving every Utahn below a certain income threshold a credit.
But advocates argue that a once-a-year rebate will cause some struggling Utahns to fall through the cracks.
It's also the wrong way to do it because a lot of elderly households, a lot of disabled households who live on disability payments, they don't file taxes. So how are we going to reach those folks?
Opposers of this food tax say they'll be presenting their petition and sign-on letter to the committee in their next meeting on Monday. Reporting at the Utah State Capitol, Rosie Nguyen, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Rosie. Well, lawmakers are working on an updated bill that they're hoping to finish by Friday. This in preparation for the committee's next meeting on Monday.